you sand it down that first time, when you hit it with the first pass of 60 or 80 grit, and you truly see the wood for what it is, you build a connection with it. This one little piece of wood has a life story. And it was on the verge of being lost forever. But once you pass over it that first time, it's like you peel the layer back and you give it a chance to breathe again.
Yeah, when we first started, man, we'd just walk house to house, knocking on doors, asking people if we could tear down their old barns.
We decided to start using 100-year-old wood mainly because it's durable and it lasts. Because the wood they used back then were the old longleaf pine trees that used to be all across America. Right after the turn of the century, most of the longleaf pine really just kind of disappeared.
Dude, this roof is gonna be awesome.
When did you say it was built?
1905, I think, early 1900s.
Nice.
Look at this place.
Wow. Definitely built in the early 1900s. Old beadboard.
Yeah, this beadboard is beautiful. Look at that color, man. It's killer. So when we start deconstructing a building, one of the first things that I like to do is actually cut through the end of the wood to expose the end grains. We're looking for super tight grains in the wood, which pretty much let us know that the wood came from a house that was built in the early 1900s. You can't even buy this wood anymore. You can barely cut the trees down because most of them have already been cut down.
Working with these materials, there's almost something spiritual about it. These trees grew up in our backyards. They built the homes that our ancestors lived in. They hold stories.
That's the way that we think about it. We're taking something that's old and we're giving it a new life. As we reclaim this wood, we're reclaiming history. We're reclaiming memories. And in some small way, if you think about it, we're reclaiming ourselves.